Now I'm going to show you practically how these two different charge controllers behave when you connect a high voltage solar panel to the charge controller to charge a 12-volt battery. Remember, it's a 12-volt battery. So I have a Trina solar panel, and the maximum power of this solar panel is 500 watts. The VMP, that is the maximum power voltage, is 33.3 volts. The maximum power current, IMP, is 13.03 amps. The open circuit voltage, VOC, is 40.1 volts, 40.1 volts. And the short circuit current is 15.86 amps, 15.86 amps. So these are the terminals from the solar panel. Remember, when you're dealing with solar panels, if you connect them in series or in parallel, that is, you have many solar panels and you're working with the solar panels, you have to protect yourself, and you have to be very careful, because at that point they are very dangerous. You're having high voltage, having high current, so you need to be very careful when you are working with the solar panels. So I have my negative test probe, positive. So the voltage is 35.13 volts. That is 5.13 volts. So I'm going to connect it to a PWM charge controller, and we will see what the PWM charge controller is sending to the battery. All right. This is what the PWM charge controller is sending to the battery. 10.10 amps. 10.10 amps. Let's check the voltage from the PV terminal. This is the PV terminal, positive, negative. What we are having is 13.29 volts. 13.29 volts. It's now 13.4. Let me check the battery voltage. The battery voltage is 13 volts. And monitor the voltage from here. So I'm going to connect this. Remember, it's 10, it's still fluctuating. We're having 10 amps. 10 amps. So I'll connect it now to the MPPT charge controller. This is a hybrid inverter with an inbuilt MPPT solar charge controller. Okay. The controller is speaking. You can see 13, it's now 14, 15, 16. 16 amps.